फ्रंट फेसिंग कॅमेरा आलं सर. सर पहा बरं. अक्षर सरळ दिसत आहेत की उलट दिसत आहेत.
Good morning friends, today we will see application of derivatives. Here, if s is the displacement of a particle at time t, then velocity means we have to find the derivative of s, means ds by dt.
आता बघा हे आता सरळ.
So friends, today we will see application of derivatives. If s is the displacement of a particle at time t, then velocity means derivative of s, that is ds by dt. Then acceleration a is equal to dv by dt. Find the derivative of velocity, that is mean by acceleration. For example, dv by dt. dv by dt means d square s by dt square. Friends, in this topic we will see more examples. The displacement s of a particle at time t. First example, the displacement of a particle at time t is given by a particle at time t is given by s is equal to t cube minus 4t square. S is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5t. Find velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 2. Then we have to find velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 2. At time t is equal to 2. Friends, in this example, the displacement of a particle at time t is given by, this is the displacement. We know friends what is mean by velocity. Velocity means ds by dt. This is called as velocity, or derivative of s, that is called as velocity. And acceleration means friends double derivative of displacement, means d square. Acceleration means d square s by dt square, or derivative of v is called as acceleration. Friends, we will see the solution of given example. Solution. The given function is, or the given displacement is, s is equal to t cube minus 4t square minus 5. Friends, we have to first find the velocity of given displacement. Therefore, velocity is equal to v is equal to ds by dt, means find the derivative of s, or find the derivative of displacement with respect to t. If we find the derivative with respect to t, then derivative of t cube, that is 3 into t square, minus derivative of 4t square. Derivative of 4t square, 4 to the 8 into t. Answer is 8t minus 5. Friends, in this example, the displacement of particle is given. Find the velocity and acceleration at time t is equal to 2. Therefore, replace in place of t, that is 2. Therefore, displacement is equal to. Therefore, velocity is equal to v is equal to ds by dt at time t is equal to 2. Therefore, replace t for 2. 2 square minus 8 into 2 minus 5. 3 into 2 square, answer is 4 minus 16 minus 5. 3 to the 3 3 4s are 12 minus 21. Answer is negative 9. Therefore, friends, velocity at time t is equal to negative 9. Now, we have to find the acceleration. Acceleration means double derivative of displacement or a derivative of velocity, that is called as acceleration. Now, acceleration is equal to acceleration for a is equal to dv by dt, means find the derivative of v. This is the v. Double derivative means derivative of v, that is 3t square minus 8t minus 5. This is the v. Then acceleration means derivative of v, that is dv by dt. Answer is 6t minus 8. 60 minus 8. This is the acceleration. Friends, we have to find the acceleration at time t is equal to 2. We have to find acceleration at t is equal to 2 dv by dt at t is equal to 2 is equal to 6 into 2 minus 8. 6 2s are 12 minus 8. Acceleration is 4 units. Now friends, next example. The displacement of particle at time t is given by. The displacement at particle at time t is given by S is equal to 2t cube. S is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. Then find the time t when acceleration is 14. Then find the time. Find the time when acceleration is 14. When acceleration is 14 feet per square second square. And second is the velocity and displacement at that time. The velocity and displacement at that time. Second, the velocity and displacement at that time. Friends, in this example given to us acceleration, and that is 14 units feet per square second square, and displacement is 2t cube minus 5t square plus 4t minus 3. This is the displacement. And given acceleration is 14 feet per second square. We have to find the time t. Friends, solution. It is given that the S is equal to 2t cube minus 5t square minus plus 4t minus 3. This is the displacement. Now find velocity and acceleration. We know velocity v means ds by dt. This is the v. ds by dt, this is v. If we find the derivative of these terms, 2t cube, derivative of 2 into t cube, that is 6t square minus 5 2s are 10t plus 4. This is the velocity of given particle or given displacement. Now friends, acceleration is equal to d square s by dt square. This is also called as derivative of velocity is called as acceleration. Derivative of velocity is also called as acceleration. Now, if we find the derivative of velocity, that is 6 to the 12t minus derivative of 10 into t. Answer is 10 because 10 is a constant function, derivative of t is 1. Now, in first example, it is given that the time when the acceleration is 14. आपल्याला या ठिकाणी acceleration दिलेलं आहे 14, परंतु आपलं acceleration काय आलेलं आहे 12t minus 10. But it is given that in first example it is given that acceleration a is equal to 14. Therefore our acceleration is 12t minus 10 is equal to 14. Therefore 12t minus 10 is equal to 14. Do the simplification here. 12 into t is equal to 14 plus 10. 12 into t is equal to 24. Therefore t is equal to 24 upon 12. T is equal to 2 seconds. The time is 2 seconds. And here we have to find the time when acceleration is 14. आपल्याला acceleration दिलेलं होतं, आपल्याला टाइम फाइंड करायचा होता. acceleration कशा पद्धतीने फाइंड करतो आपण? डिस्प्लेसमेंट दिलेलं असताना वेलोसिटी फाइंड केली, वेलोसिटीचा पुन्हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला. वेलोसिटीचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे acceleration असतो. पुन्हा आपल्याला दिलेल्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये acceleration ची किंमत 14 दिलेली होती. आपलं acceleration आणि 14 यांना कॉन्ग्रुएंट दाखवलं, इक्वल दाखवलं. t ची व्हॅल्यू मिळाली 2 सेकंड. नाउ फ्रेंड्स, सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, फाइंड द वेलोसिटी अँड डिस्प्लेसमेंट ॲट दॅट टाइम. त्या टाइमला वेलोसिटी आणि डिस्प्लेसमेंट यांच्या किमती फाइंड करायच्या आहेत, यांच्या व्हॅल्यूज फाइंड करायच्या आहेत. ॲट दॅट टाइम मीन्स t is equal to 2 and our velocity answer is 6t square minus 10t plus 4 and our acceleration is 12t minus 10. Friends, only replace in place of t, that is 2, because value of at that time is 2. Therefore acceleration is equal to, now answer of second. Friends, we know velocity is equal to 2 and we know the velocity is equal to, therefore velocity at that time means ds by dt at t is equal to 2 is equal to 6 into 2 square minus 10 into 2 plus 4. 6 into 4 minus 20 plus 4. 6 4s are 24 minus 20 plus 4. Answer is 8. And acceleration is equal to a is equal to dv by dt at that time means time t is equal to 2. Replace t is equal to 2. 12 into 2 minus 10. 12 2s are 24 minus 10. Answer is 14. Now friends, one more example. We will see one more example. A particle is moving in a straight line. A particle is moving in a straight line. Example, a particle is moving in a straight line. A particle is moving in a straight line and its displacement x from a and its displacement x from a fixed point O, x from a fixed point O on the line at that time is on the line at that time is given by x is equal to t square plus 1. X is equal to root of t square plus 1. Then friends, show that acceleration at that time is x raised to negative 3. Then show that acceleration is equal to x raised to negative 3. Friends, means in this example we have to find acceleration. Given to us answer of acceleration is x raised to negative 3. Here the displacement means x is equal to square root of t square plus 1. If we simplify it, then answer will become x raised to negative 3, friends. If we simplify it, then the answer will x raised to negative 3. Now friends, we will see the given example. Here s is equal to root of t square plus 1. S is equal to root of t square plus 1, x or ex. First find the velocity. Velocity means dx by dt. We know velocity means derivative of displacement, and given to us displacement at that time t square plus 1. We know friends, derivative of root function, derivative of square root x, that is 1 upon 2 times root x. 1 upon 2 times root of x square plus 1. Again find the derivative of under root terms, means derivative of t square plus 1. Derivative of t square, that is twice t, plus 1 is a constant function, derivative of constant, that is 0. 2 cut. Therefore velocity is equal to t divided by root of t square plus 1. Therefore velocity t upon root of t square plus 1. Now friends, we will find the acceleration of given example. Now acceleration is equal to a is equal to dv by dt. Again find the derivative of v, derivative of these terms. If we will find the derivative of this, means t square plus 1 square root of this is in the form of u upon v. We know friends, derivative of u upon v is equal to denominator square. In denominator there is denominator square, and in numerator u into derivative of v minus v into derivative of u. This is the formula of derivative of u into u upon v. Now friends, denominator square means t square plus 1 under root square. Answer is t square plus 1. Again u is a constant, means t is a constant. T into derivative of this term, derivative of d by dt into root of t square plus 1. Then negative root of t square plus 1 is a constant, derivative of t is a 1. Next step is simplification of these terms. If we simplify it, acceleration a is equal to denominator is t square plus 1. In numerator t into derivative of root, derivative of under root function, that is root x, derivative of root x 1 upon 2 root x, means derivative of this function is 1 upon 2 times t square plus 1. Again find the derivative of these term. Derivative of t square is twice t. Derivative of 1 is 0. Therefore in this these terms t square plus 1, derivative of t square plus 1 is twice t. 2 cut. Minus root of t square plus 1. T square plus 1. Here t into t, answer is t square. Divide by root of t square plus 1 minus root of t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 1. आपण काय करतोय तर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करतोय, दुसरं काहीही करत नाही. सिम्प्लिफिकेशन कशा पद्धतीने होतंय, 2 कट केला, t into t t स्क्वेअर डिवाइड बाय रूटला असलेली टर्म, डिनॉमिनेटरला असलेली टर्म t स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 निगेटिव्ह t स्क्वेअर प्लस 1. पुन्हा याचं सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करताना मी काय करतो, मला माहिती आहे x मीन्स रूट x स्क्वेअर प्लस 1. आपल्याला पुन्हा हा रूट घेऊन जाणं गरजेचं वाटत नाही इथून पुढे, किंवा सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करून घेऊ आधी. Therefore acceleration a is equal to t square minus, do the cross multiplication, t square minus 1 into root t square plus 1 root t square plus 1, root into root is cut. Therefore t square plus 1 divided by denominator product root of t square plus 1, again root of t square plus 1. Now if we simplify it, t square, positive t square, negative t square cut, means in numerator 1 upon root t square plus 1 divided by t square plus 1. Now friends, substitute the value of root t square plus 1. We know root t square plus 1 that is mean by x. आपल्याला माहिती आहे रूट ऑफ टी स्क्वेअर प्लस 1 याची किंमत काय आहे x. इकडचा पार्ट मी रब करतो. We know friends root of t square plus 1 is x. Therefore acceleration a is equal to 1 upon x divided by t square plus 1 means x square. And after simplification 1 upon x into 1 upon x square. Answer is 1 upon x raised to 3. We have to prove x raised to negative 3. Friends, this term is in the denominator place. If we convert it in numerator, that is x raised to negative 3. आपण या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये केलं काय डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो दिलेला होता त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेतला त्याला वेलोसिटी म्हणतात. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू इन टर्म्स ऑफ टी चं फंक्शन दिलेलं होतं म्हणून विथ रिस्पेक्टिव्ह टू टी ने आपण काय केला डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड केला त्याला वेलोसिटी म्हटली. वेलोसिटीचा पुन्हा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड केला त्याला ऍक्सेलरेशन म्हटलं. वेलोसिटीचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह फाइंड करताना डबल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह त्याला सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केलं. डबल डेरिव्हेटिव्ह हा u अपॉन v च्या फॉर्म मध्ये होता मीन्स u स्क्वेअर u इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ v मायनस v इंटू डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ u. आफ्टर सिम्प्लिफिकेशन याला संपूर्ण सिम्प्लिफिकेशन केलं t इंटू टी स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय दिस टर्म मायनस डिवायडेड बाय टी स्क्वेअर प्लस 1. न्यूमरेटरला क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून आपण सिम्प्लिफाय केलं टी स्क्वेअर. आफ्टर क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन रूट इंटू रूट कट therefore t square plus 1 divided by denominator product square root t square plus 1 again divided by t square plus 1. या ठिकाणी t square पॉझिटिव्ह t square निगेटिव्ह t square पुन्हा कट केला. न्यूमरेटरला 1 शिल्लक राहिला डिनॉमिनेटरला t square plus 1 डिवाइडेड बाय t square plus 1 हा सेमच होता. नाउ वी नो x is equal to t square plus 1. Replace value of x that is t square plus 1 root t square plus 1 means x divided by t square plus 1 means x square. 1 upon x into 1 upon x square 1 upon x cube means acceleration is equal to x raised to negative 3. आपल्याला तेच प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो. पुढचा जो पार्ट असेल आपण तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर मध्ये घेऊ. नेक्स्ट पार्ट फ्रेंड्स वी विल सी इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. थँक्यू फ्रेंड्स.